Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPad down and removing the case so you can access the front assembly without obstruction. Once done, remove any SIM tray if applicable and place the device on a static safe mat. This avoids short circuits while you work. Next, loosen the display adhesive gently with a heat source set to warm, not hot, to soften glue. This makes prying safer. Use a suction cup and pick to begin separating the display from the frame at a corner. Once the screen is partially open, hinge it up like a book and support it. Do not flex the display. Carefully disconnect the battery if reachable to cut power, and then release the home button ribbon's ZIF connector. This isolates the button. Remove the metal retention bracket and lift out the home button assembly to inspect the mechanical cup, spring, and foam gasket. Dirt or misaligned parts often cause a pushed-in feel. If the cable is creased or torn, plan to replace it. You now fit any replacement home button or flex cable and ensure the metal bracket sits exactly in its notch. Correct alignment is why the button returns properly. Reconnect the ZIF connector, reconnect the battery, and secure the display with fresh adhesive strips before pressing the edges. Power the iPad on and test the button's tactile click and Touch ID if applicable. If problems persist, make sure the bracket is not bent and consider a full button assembly swap or professional repair for sensor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.